Hello, everyone, and welcome to this series of a very quick, a very concise, and a very intuitive look into basically all of the best projects on the market. We're going to be reviewing each of them on a daily basis, posting them right here, and giving you a prediction at the end of each video. So, without further ado, let's get into the video and get this done as efficiently as possible. So the first coin we're going to be discussing is Ripple, XRP. Take a quick look on CoinGecko. Market cap of $25 billion, 4 billion daily trading volume, 6.5% increase today, and about half of the coins in supply currently. That's about all we can see there. The next step when researching a coin, generally you go on the website or you go on their Twitter page. We're not going to be visiting the Twitter page today because it's not as important. However, whenever you're trading, try to go to the Twitter of each coin you invest in, because if there has been no tweets in the past few months, it's definitely a no-no and the project is definitely a no-go. So be careful on that part. Now let's move on to Ripple. Ripple offers financial institutions the fastest, most reliable option for sourcing liquidity on demand. Basically makes it easier for banks to conduct transactions in a seamless manner without having liquidity problems. XRP is a digital asset built for payments. It's the native digital asset on the ledger, an open source, permissionless, and decentralized blockchain technology that can settle transactions very quickly. So in 35 seconds, currently 4 seconds. Ripple can be sent directly without needing a central intermediary, making it a very convenient instrument in bridging two different currencies quickly and efficiently. How is it used? It's faster, it's cheaper, and it's more scalable than any other digital asset, apparently. XRP and the ledger are used to power innovative technology across the payment space. Ripple is focused on building technology to help unleash new utility for Ripple and transform global payments. Also, third parties are naturally pursuing other Ripple-related use cases, especially in the world of payments and technology, e-commerce, etc. We'll talk about it a bit sooner. RippleNet customers can use Ripple for sourcing liquidity in cross-border transactions instead of pre-funding, ensuring instant settlement, lower fees, and more efficient use of capital. RippleX is the open developer platform for money. Through the RippleX projects, developers leverage Ripple and its underlying technology in use cases from micropayments to e-commerce to exchanges, peer-to-peer services, etc. They're both open source, which is quite nice to see. Now, how does the XRP ledger work? Basically, there's independent validator nodes. They come to an agreement on the order and validity of transactions. To cut things short, there are about 36 validators exactly in the world, and Ripple runs 6 of them, which is 16%. Apparently, you can become a validator as well, so you check that out right here if you're interested. Why is Ripple better than Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, the 3 dinosaurs of cryptocurrencies? Okay, we get it. Everything is better than them. However, a 4-second transaction time is not bad at all. It's very scalable, 1,500 transactions per second, on par with Visa with the throughput. So it's run by a network of 150 plus validators globally. It has great stability. It's eco-friendly. This eco-friendly part I disagree with a little bit because in my opinion, every single miner is eco-friendly because they're trying to cut down on costs. That's their main objective, to cut down on costs instead of using traditional ways of electricity. More and more miners are using solar panels or other forms of electricity, which essentially makes it even more eco-friendly. However, that's besides the point. The current settlement speed, about 4 seconds, a little bit under. Network transaction fee not showing up. I should reload the page probably, but that's not important for now. Let's move on to the technical aspect and come with a little prediction. First of all, I'm going to teach you. So I always do my analysis on a multi-time frame level. So we can see this zone down here has been touched, has been breached once before in March of 2020 when the coronavirus pandemic started. Up on top, we can see strong, very strong price rejection at this area between 75 and 78 cents. And we can see a few very important zones of support and resistance right here, and a very big bullish candle recently, which is indicating a bullish move after this recent dip on the market. So right here, we can see a very important zone that was resistance in the past, which means boom, bounces off, boom, price bounces off, boom, 3 times, not allowing the price to break through it. That means it's a resistance. It's resisting the price from going above. Then we have this big spike coming back down into the same zone. Boom, boom, hit it twice, boom, hit it again. 4th time, this is known as a support. So all of these yellow lines, they're basically zones of resistance and support, and I use them in determining where the price is going to go in the future. Now, zooming in a bit closer to what's happening recently. So the start of this is the start of March right here. So it's not that close. We can see this sort of counter trend line right here, which has been broken out of after this consolidation period, and a very nice doji candle right here indicating bullish pressure. Of course, after that, what happened? Little consolidation, and boom, the price broke out of this counter trend line of this big area of resistance at the moment, retested the Fibonacci 61.8 level, and started moving upwards again. So my prediction for this coin currently, it's a bullish one. However, be careful because Ripple is running under. So there's the SEC is investigating Ripple and its actions on the basis of money. Well, it's different. It's different from other cryptocurrencies. I personally call it a banker's coin because I believe it's highly centralized, which is why you can see all of these spikes everywhere, these little pumps and dumps, which people call short squeezes these days. However, all we got to focus on right now is where the price is going to go, and I firmly believe it's going to go up because Bitcoin is coming off a slight dip at the moment, and despite the SEC news, crypto is generally bullish. However, you should be careful and always be patient. For example, wait for a little retest of this area right down here, this area of support, because as you can see, it's been tested multiple times in the past. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope your week goes green, and I hope your trades go well, and I will see you guys very soon. Adios.